Hello everyone, welcome to the IchimokuCharts.com daily analysis for gold for Friday, November the 13th. Well, quite a large green-bodied candle today, and that is telling us that the buyers have made some very solid net bullish progress on the day between the open and close. And it was setting the market up for an assault on this 1120 region. We can see though that the market failed to close up above that area. And we can also see that there was a small amount of downside price rejection as the market traded right to that level at 1120. Still, regardless of that though, the market has closed with the bulls in control. It's closed up towards the high, and they did show some very strong commitment to taking this market higher. So there is a strong chance that this market will continue in the second time frame uptrend to the upside. Now, today though, established a first time frame downtrend. The previous day we had an uptrend in place, even though it was in bar chart terms an outside day. But today we have a candle with a lower high and a low low, which tells us that the trend is to the downside. Now we have to doubt the ability of the market to continue this trend in the first time frame because it was such a bullish day, and the bears really had no control of this market. They showed no commitment other than taking out the low of the previous candle and just taking that out. So it really doesn't look very good for the continuation of this market in the downtrend, but we do need to keep an eye on the low of that candle. And interestingly, the market traded down to around that 1100 region and found support there, and that's where the buyers came in very strongly around that 1100 region. So now the resistance here that we saw from this candle where there was downside price rejection and this one from the 1100, it's changed its character and it's now acting as support. So that becomes a very big level for the market over the next few days. If the market does trade down through there, then we have potential support at the Tenkan Sen initially, which is at 1089, and then at the Kijun Sen, which is at 1075. The Tenkan Sen is pointing up very sharply, and that reflects the strong upside momentum in the market. And quite often when there's a lot of momentum in the market, that Tenkan Sen will be the initial level where the market does hold up. So there is potential for that area to be an area of support and for the buyers to come in again if the market does trade down to there. Also, this 1084 level, which is a previous support and resistance level, should be an area that we need to watch for potential support if the market does trade down. Also, the Kijun Sen here at 1075 is potential for a support area, and the market will need to do a lot of work to get down to that area, though it won't do it in a hurry, or it shouldn't. The only thing to worry about is that this Kijun Sen has turned flat, and when that turns flat, quite often the market will be attracted back towards there. And that was initiated yesterday when the market sold off from this 1120 region. So there is still potential for the market to trade back towards this region. We really need to read the short-run dynamics of the market over the next day or so to see whether there is any bearishness that's going to come into this market, because today was such a bullish day. Now, we are trading up above the cloud or the Kumo, and we are trading a long way up above there, and also trading a long way up above the Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen. So this market seems to be a little bit overextended at the moment. So that does raise doubt about the potential for this market to continue to the upside. So obviously, to the upside, 1120 is a big area, and now up to this swing high around 1122. For a continuation of this trend in the second time frame, we'd like to see a solid bullish close up above that area for the potential for the market to appreciate substantially.